yeah, it's just me and it looks like somebody else who's thinking about staying here the night, but I'd not be surprised if they drove off. A few midges out now, I might put some spray on. I'm gonna make a brew. I got my hat on, my head net. How's it look? Crazy, I bet. I feel like a bank robber side of the road wearing this. But they're bugging me. I'm looking for something and they're getting in my bloody eyes, everything. It's a little scary for people, I think. I'll wear it in isolation circumstances where the midges are a pain. There's just someone turned up over there. This looks like the road, but it's not. This is like the parking bit for the loch, and that's the road. But I've got my little fire going for make a brew. Some water in a kelly kettle, so I'll get the kelly kettle on. It doesn't take long. Yeah, then I'm happy for the day. Just having a good moment, a nice moment, relaxing a bit. A few midges about. I see them crawling on the camera as I'm talking to you now. But they were all over me last night, and I didn't notice any bites. I have some red marks on my skin, but they weren't itchy or nothing, so I don't think they penetrated with the bites too much. The midges just kind of came out. They've been out for all the time that afternoon, late evening, and now it's getting towards about 10 p.m. and they've come out just before sunset. They come to feed. But kelly kettle's doing all right. This won't take long. I don't think I'm needing more wood. And then I'll just enjoy a nice decaf brew by the road. Yeah. Needs a piece of wood in, I think. I'll put this one in. There we go. I should get it over the line for some boiling water. There we go. That's the view. Wow, that's a bit smoky, isn't it? So I think that's boiling. Let's get this brew and enjoy this brew together, by the loch. Sizzling hot. Ooh, ooh, ah. And then just pour it. All right, cool. Looking good, looking good. The end of day 2. I'll share a brew with you. Simple drinks for me, simple drinks, brew, water at the moment. Nothing exotic. I'll have a nice beer or something on a certain night, a certain day, and a certain place. Taste this. Does it pass the taste test? Ah, oh yes. A brew tastes better by the loch than at home. I don't know why, it just does. Maybe because it's more raw and it's harder to make. You know, there's a process to it. Not just flicking a switch. Midges. Going crazy now. I need that bloody head net. This is okay for when you're like doing stuff. You're trying to find something and they're all bugging you. You're putting a tent up, they're all bugging you. You know, it's perfect for that. But when you're dining, not so ideal. It's coming off. You know, I think I'll be alright. Let's go and have a quick look on the beach while I'm here before it goes dark. Looking pretty epic. Whoa, name a jump then. It's pretty spectacular. Just stunning. I'm packed away, I'm ready to just do the final deeds for the day and relax and get into bed. I hope you enjoyed day 2. It's certainly been eventful. You know, it's been different, that's for sure. You could never have predicted it. And I look forward to what happens tomorrow, which will be the next video. So, you know, stay tuned for that. Subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when that video is out. I mean, there's so many things that will happen tomorrow. The next part, it'll all be revealed. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these videos. Peace.